Hi everyone, my name is Neha and today we'll be studying the basics of probability. Let's get started. Now, you must be wondering, what exactly is probability? Probability is the likelihood of an event to happen. It can be written as a number from a scale of 0 to 1 or as a percent from 0% to 100%. When the likelihood or probability of an event is 100%, that means it is likely. And when it is 0%, the probability or likelihood of an event is 0%, that means it is unlikely. So you can find the probability of for example, tossing a coin, or you can also find the probability of the weather. Now, if we want to find the probability of an event, the ratio that we use is the probability, or P, is equal to the number of favorable outcomes divided by the number of outcomes. So this is the formula we can use for finding the probability or likelihood of an event. For example, let's say that two people are tossing, there's a coin tossing game happening. And there's one person, they're both tossing a coin, and one person goes for the heads and another goes for the tails. Now, what would be the likelihood of the coin flipping to heads? So the coin flipping to heads. To find that out, we can apply a ratio. For heads to happen, that's the number of favorable outcomes is 1, because we are trying to see how many times the coin is going to flip to heads, and that means there's only one favorable outcome. So the probability of P in this ratio is equal to 1 as a numerator, and in the denominator the total number of outcomes are 2, because the coin could flip either to the tail side or the head side. And our answer would be 50%, or it would be 1/2. Just like this, you can find the probability of anything. Bye! Thanks for watching this video and I hope you liked it.